In its machining process, Jaquar uses a combination of highly skilled manual expertise as well as automated, computerized numerical control machines and vertical machine center machines with innovative double spindle technology. This enables the highest levels of quality in its products and achieves precise sizes, dimensions, alignment and accuracy. Multiple operations are done to optimize production and quality according to the product's design. Every operator at a computerized numerical control machine or vertical machine center workstation is equipped with a detailed drawing of the component or part that they are working on, and dimensional checks and tests are undertaken to monitor the quality of output.